y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is our Patreon tutorial for our October SVG and the kit. Now, I absolutely adore this. This will make a good Christmas or Thanksgiving gift, or even something to make for yourself. Now, the supplies that you're gonna need, which are all included in the kit, is the vinyl and the apron, which the apron is a white Adams brand apron. And as you can see, it is a super well-made apron. I love the way this is done. It's definitely not cheaply made. You're also going to need your vinyl, which we are using 3 shades of Glitter Flex Ultra. We are using the red, the old gold, and the black. You're also gonna need your heat press, your t-shirt alignment tool, your Teflon sheet, and your Easy Weeding wooden pick. And remember that this file is available on our Patreon page for the $4 or more subscribers. Now give me a moment and I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see everything that we are doing today. Okay, so for this month's Patreon tutorial, what you're going to need to do is go to my Patreon page, www.patreon.com/BetsyGocher. You're going to click on Post, and you're going to scroll down to the post from October the 22nd, which says October SVG. Now remember, the kit does not go out to the 1st of the month. So what you're going to do is click on the red link and click Save. Now what we're going to do is go to Cricut Design Space, go to Upload, go to Upload Image, Browse, the secret ingredient file, click Open. We're going to click Save. Now we're going to select that file and select Insert Image. Now what we're going to do, since this is going on an apron, we're going to change that down to an 8-inch design. Now we're going to take and ungroup it, and we're going to weld our black leather black section together. The gold section is already welded, and now we're going to select all the red and weld that. Now we have 3 pieces. We're going to go to Make It. Now since we are doing this in HTV, we need to make sure to remember to mirror the design. There we go. Now we're going to click Continue. And since these are all 3 in glitters, we're going to choose glitter iron-on. Remember, if you're using a regular Cricut, to use the dot right above the glitter, the regular HTV. And if you're using a silhouette, you'll select glitter iron-on in the selections. Now give me a moment and we will get the camera angle changed, and I'll show you everything that we are doing. Okay, so right now I am weeding the secret ingredient design that is our Patreon kit for this month. I absolutely adore this design, and a lot of people in my family will be getting aprons like this for the holiday season because it's absolutely adorable. And it's something that is a keepsake that you will use quite a bit, or at least if you're anything like I am. When I go home and cook a lot of days in the afternoon, and especially on holidays, I'm wearing good clothes. I don't want it to get nasty by getting splattered by grease or whatever I'm cooking. And I am horrible about spills and making messes. So I like to have an apron. But you can put this on anything. You could put this on pot holders, on let me hold this up where I can see what I am doing. Okay. Some days, I'm not sure about you, but it doesn't seem like my eyes want to work, and underneath this lighting in here, sometimes it is harder to see when I'm weeding these. So that part's weeded, and last but not least, the red glitter. But you can see the stuff weeds easy. It's just some days my eyes don't want to work. There we go. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take and lay our apron on the press where it is nice and straight. We're going to start with our black layer, and actually I'm not going to use the t-shirt guide on this because I cut this on the top part of the black, so I have a straight line up here, and I want to keep this pretty darn close to that neck seam because you don't want it to go too far down. It comes with free hair, as you can see. I'm shedding. So now we're going to cover, and on this, if you don't have, I would recommend using a Teflon pillow if you don't have one, just to make sure you get good even pressure. Okay, so line that up. Line that up. But you see now why we started so high up, because typically you don't wear your aprons as high as you wear your crew neck t-shirts. It's a little bit lower on the chest. So now we're going to go ahead and do it for the last the full 15 seconds, and then it will be done. But I love this design. And let me know, I was thinking of next month for Patreon kit, instead of doing a full-blown tutorial for Christmas, doing a big set of vinyls, different things, prints, glitters, probably 12 to 15 sheets. But see how cute that turned out? I love this design. So let me know what you think of that in the comments down below. Other than that, don't forget to check us out on all of our social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We post new videos every day of the week for Christmas all the way through December 21st. Don't forget to check out our second channel, which is Cuttin Corners Vinyl at Betsy Gocher is my second channel. Sorry, it's been a long few weeks. Other than that, I think that's it. So we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.